This is Hexham railway station in Northumbria. It lies on the Tyne Valley Line, which runs from Newcastle to Carlisle. This line was built by the Newcastle and Carlisle Railway, and the station was opened originally in 1835. Prior to grouping and nationalisation, the line was owned and operated by the North Eastern Railway. The station used to have an extra platform, a bay platform, on the southern side. This was removed in the 1970s when the lines that it had been built for had long closed. That is, the Border Counties line that ran up to Riccarton Junction on the Waverley route and the Allendale branch. The station was substantially redeveloped between 2013 and 2014. It has two platforms and stands on a double-track section of line. Most of the sidings were removed, but a few have been retained. Prior to COVID, the line saw about 350,000 passengers a year. Stations towards Newcastle, the first one there is Core Bridge, and towards Carlisle, the first one is Hayden Bridge. A striking feature of the station and its surrounds is the overlying signal box that lies on the Newcastle side. Only one other survives on the network, and that's at Wylam, further down the line. Wylam is famous for being the birthplace of George Stephenson. It's also where William Hedley, Timothy Hackworth and Jonathan Forster in 1813 built the world's first adhesion locomotive, that is the Puffing Billy. This now is to be found in the National Science Museum in London. Its brother locomotive, the Wylam Dilly, is located in the National Museum of Scotland. Hexham is one of the oldest purpose-built railway stations in the world and is Grade 2 listed, as is the 1896 overlying signal box. The Hexham and Allendale Railway closed to passengers in 1930 and to freight in 1950. The Border Counties line closed to passengers in 1956 and to freight in 1958.